Yeah. Che. Ha.
Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Loveth.
I'm Victoria.
If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, we love you. So, right now, today is Saturday, and we just went to the market. So, we want to show you guys what, but because we're not able to vlog inside the market
Because we need fear, we don't want to drag our food because it's the first time we are going to the market
here. Nowhere in Anambra
so
State.
we don't want to lose our phone.
No, it's not that. We're just
We're just shy and
yeah.
more about the phone.
Okay, so let's show you guys what I'm excited.
So
So the first thing we bought onions in bulk, like to last us for like
a
a
month.
month.
Detergent, Viva Plus detergent powder.
This is our first
Right.
time trying it.
Wanna see?
My sister said it's good, so
Yeah.
what did we buy again? We bought these biscuits, Beloxi. So we bought these Beloxi biscuits for our biscuit flakes, tea and biscuits.
Biscuit flake.
We're going to do a video. I don't know which one is going to post first. We're going to do what we eat in a day. I'm going to see a lot of tea and biscuits in the video.
We're boxing tomatoes.
For spaghetti, jollof rice, you know the vibes.
Yeah, you.
Hey, will you? What's next? Bread. If you have been following us, you know that we love bread. Because
It's a bread.
Stanel. We bought like 4.
Daniel bread.
Wait, this one bought it from Stanel, not the market.
That's from Daniel.
Oh.
It's fresh and yeah.
And we actually we put our bread in the freezer. And when it's time for us to eat it, we will now
Microwave
microwave it.
Oil.
First time trying this one, so Emperor. What's this? What is this one? Egusi. What's this? It's egusi. It's egusi, grounded egusi. For egusi soup. Hey, see the baby just embarrassed herself. You see?
I knew it.
Buy this one, so. No.
Tissues. Tissues.
Milo for tea. No, tea is Lipton and Lipton.
Milo for beverage.
For beverage. That's so tea.
Money fresh.
Tomatoes. So these are some fresh tomatoes. I don't want to open it, but fresh tomatoes and fish. Dry fish for soups and everything. So watch out for what we eat in a week video.
Best of the best. Quick out. My quick out.
Chems biscuit. Before we find this one in our car. Not that it took time, but like they didn't have it before. Yeah.
Sugar.
Calm down now.
Sugar.
What is it? So like this one for biscuit flakes too. As I'm saying, watch out for what we eat in a week.
Biscuit flakes.
So air freshener, yeah, we got air freshener.
Sweet flour. Try and be mad.
She's just advertising since I don't understand. So we bought fried rice things because we want to cook fried rice. Bama. Fried rice and salad. Okay, this so but everything is not complete. So we're going to the market this evening to buy the remaining. We're going to the market this evening to buy the remaining things because it's not actually complete here. Is there anything else?
Yep.
Jesus, what's that? Please don't carry it. What's that? Golden penny.
Spaghetti.
We also bought golden penny spaghetti. I beg, don't kill yourself. It's not. Put penny spaghetti, the best spaghetti
Ever.
and only spaghetti to eat.
Yeah.
Sorry, no offense to others. So, is that all?
That's all.
Okay, yeah, that's all we bought this evening. We're gonna buy more. So, now we're about to go and cook. We want to eat lunch. So, we'll see you guys later. Bye.
So I am on my way to the market to get some things for fried rice and other things. How much is this one? Let's go help us for this one.
So we're cooking Nigerian fried rice. She's cutting the onions. I've cut the onions. The carrots. So we're about to marinate the turkey. We brought out the marinated meat and put it on fire. Marinate the carrots and everything for the fried rice. So our turkey is ready. So let's get to the fried rice.
fried rice came out so well. It tasted delicious. Thank you so much for watching us prepare it. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
99, 99. All of my men are 99.